Hi everyone. Today I'm feeling a little sick, so don't mind me. I'm opening the Allure beauty box of November, and let's see what we got going on. Because last month we got Ole Henriksen that I was so jazzed about. And it's Jasmine, by the way. Okay, so first it's the brow definer from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's in the soft brown shade, so it'll match me perfectly, I believe. Why does they gotta package so much? Open the goddamn box. Makes me want to rip the box, but then I feel bad ripping the box. Why is that? I don't know. I don't like ripping boxes. Okay, this is what it looks like. Spoolie on one side. This is pretty big spoolie. Oh, it's the triangular one. Yeah, okay. I'll try it and see. As you see, I have sparse brows. It's not even, there's hair there, it's just blonde because I'm naturally blonde. So I have like, it looks like I have missing hair here, but I'm not. There's hair there, it's just blonde. I've always been like that since I was a little girl. When I was little, I had bright blonde hair, even lighter than this. Now, as you see my roots, I'm like a dark blonde, you know, so that actually works out perfect. All right, next up, from Michi, right? Yeah, Michi. It's a gel to foam styling mousse, frizz-free definition set. It says 3, so I'm thinking there's like a 3-step thing. I've never heard of Michi. Meet she. It says right there at the bottom. I don't know if you're gonna see it. It says the pronunciation. Michi. Not Mitchi. Michi. So yeah, we got that. Next up, Fenty. Yay! I've never seen Fenty in this packaging before. Let's see. It's a perfume. Okay. It's okay. It's not my favorite. I'm more of a spicy vanilla gourmand. I don't know if it says the notes on here. It just says water parfuma. So, yeah. It's not bad. It's still, I don't know if I'd wear it, but I'll give it to someone to see if they'd like it. I'll try my mom, because my mom loves perfumes. Next up, a foil packet. This is the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Shine Mask. It's just a one use. With the amount of hair I have, I got a lot of hair. This will be one use. And I'm excited to try it. Because I used to use the Eva NYC shampoo and conditioner. I had gotten it in a set. And I actually liked it a lot. But then I moved on from it because I was getting a lot of dandruff. And I started using Head and Shoulders. And my dandruff has resolved. And now I use Soapbox. So, alright, next up. Skincare product from Obagi Clinical. This is the Keen Teen Hydrating Cream. Is that how you say it? Tell me, people. Tell me how. How do you say it? How do you say it? Alright, so it's a moisturizer. Oh my god. I need to buy a little razor thing for my desk. So when I'm doing these unboxings, my dumbass doesn't remember to bring my little scissors. It looks clinical, to be honest. Right now, I'm enjoying my Ole Henriksen that I got in another subscription box channel. One of their stores. Alright, next up, there's 2 more products. There's this one from, it's a Korean skin therapy, Airborean. Skin Therapy 17 Super Ingredient. So that's what it is. It's a multi-perfectionist. It's in different language. It says 93% and then something in a different language, and then 95% in a different language. Okay, it says right here, I see English. After the first night, your skin is smooth, intensely nourished, plump with moisture. Signs of fatigue appeared reduced. Your complexion is fresh and radiant. Stronger results. Can I say that word? Results. Day after day. On skin textured, wrinkles, fine lines, skin grain, luminosity, and suppleness. It's a 2-phase and light oil specifically designed to adapt to all skin uses. Shake the bottle before each use to mix the 2 phases. Use before or instead of your night cream. So I'll probably use it even though I use my night cream. Oh, that's cute. Don't mind my shaking. It's part of my disease. I have a nerve disease, so I get shakes out of nowhere. I can crimp my toes and my whole body will shake. It's the weirdest thing ever. Don't mind me. And last but not least, Kylie Jenner matte liquid lipstick. Okay, not to be shady, are they putting these in subscription box to get rid of them? Because I remember when these came out. Oh, what's that color? You see that color? It's like salmon. Do I have to try it on? I'm gonna have to. Alright, let's try this on. Oh my god. This is definitely a shade that no one's buying. I'm sorry. No one's buying this. Like, that looks so weird. Oh my god, I can't wait to take this off. And no one's wearing I don't know anybody that's still wearing liquid lips. I don't know anybody that's wearing liquid lips. Oh my god, I gotta take this off. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? Put some trusty old elf lip liner, elf lip oil. These are amazing. I keep it right there on my desk. Okay, that looks better. I look better. But is no one wearing I don't know, all my gurus, I don't see them wearing liquid. Like, I've seen a couple people with the Anastasia velvet lip ones that are more towards the liquid lip, but especially this color. I don't get this color. Nobody's using this. I'm sorry. I feel like I'm shitting on Kylie Cosmetics, but come on. No one's using this. It's just a waste of product. Thank God there was a lot of nice products in this box. Especially the brows. I'll use that and see how it works out. And I love skincare. So anything skincare, good for me. Anything Fenty, good for me. I even like this Eva packet. So I think this was a good box, except for one product. That's it. Everything else I'm liking and I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use definitely this. Now you gotta shake it and use it with the moisturizer or without. I will use that and try it. This is the one that I'm not sure. I might give this to my mom. Because as you see, this is my hair. I don't do anything else with it. I blow dry it, curl it a little bit, and that's it. If I put it in a ponytail, I don't like putting stuff in it. Because my hair gets super greasy up here when I'm ready to put a ponytail in. It's greasy as hell. So I just comb it back and it's fine. Don't mind this. I'm on the monthly, you know, the girly, the bitch. But yeah, I think I'll give that to my mom, because I don't put that stuff in my hair. My hair is wavy, like without blow drying it, it's like wavy, but I don't see myself using it, so I'll give that to my mom. But everything else, a win. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products that I'm gonna use. So to me, that's great. Nothing else in here, right? No, nothing else in here. And it says you can gift somebody one. So, oh, I didn't even know the prices. Don't you want to know the prices? Because when I watch these videos, I want to know the prices. Okay, so the Anastasia was $26. That's pretty pricey. The liquid lip is $21. The Obagi Kyneton is $62. The hydrating cream. The Fenty fragrance. It's the kind of fragrance you'll want to cozy up all winter. This blend of warm musk and rose with a touch of wintry tangerine feels as comfy and seems as expensive as the perfect cashmere sweater. You know, the kind Rihanna would wear. This retails $140 for a 10 mil. And this is, yeah, this is 10 mil. Oh, no. 140 for 75 mil. Okay. And then the Herborian Skin Therapy Multi-Perfecting Night Oil Serum is $59. I will be using that. Yes, I will. And then the Mitchi Set Gel to Foam Styling Mousse is $23. And then the Eva NYC, $16 for 250 mils. This is 20 mils. So I think that's a great value for this box, especially the skincare. I didn't realize that Anastasia's stuff was still that expensive. I know they were expensive. I know. But just for a brow, like I used the NYX pen one. It was like $10 and it works great. And now I use the Grande Lash serum, tinted serum one. It fills in my brows great. I don't need a pencil, nothing. My mouth still looks orange type. I didn't wipe it off good. But anyways, I digress. Well, that's all there is in my Allure beauty box of November. I'm pretty happy with it. What about you? What are your choice? What did you get in your box? Do you get the same thing as I do? Let me know. Bye, everyone. Deuces.